Hey there. If you're new to cryptocurrency or just want a simpler way to trade, Binance Lite is your go-to solution. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to master Binance Lite in just 2 minutes. First things first, download the Binance app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, log in or create a new account if you don't have one. Now here's the magic part. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner of the app. You'll see an option to switch to Lite mode. Tap on it, and voila! You're now in Binance Lite. In Lite mode, everything is streamlined for ease of use. You'll find a simple interface with only the essential features. At the top, you'll see the current prices of popular cryptocurrencies. Want to buy or sell? Just tap on the Trade button. It's that easy. Need to deposit funds? Tap the Deposit button to add money to your account. You can deposit fiat currency or crypto. If you want to convert between cryptocurrencies, use the Convert feature. This lets you swap one crypto for another without hassle. Tracking your portfolio is a breeze. The Portfolio tab shows you the value of your investments at a glance. No complex charts, no confusing features, just the basics. Binance Lite is perfect for beginners and those who prefer a straightforward trading experience. So, what are you waiting for? Download the app, switch to Lite mode, and start your crypto journey today. Remember, always keep your investments safe and do your research. Happy trading! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your crypto game.